Now you might have noticed that when we added a paragraph, it created a fairly large space. We can see a fairly wide gap between the first, second, and third line. It actually double-spaced the lines of text. What if we only wanted a single line break? Well, for that, we'd have to use a break tag. To begin, type a block of text nested within a paragraph tag. We will then separate this block of text using a line break. Now we have the lines typed. We want to separate line 1 from line 2. So to do that, we'll go ahead and type a break tag, or enter a break tag. Now you'll notice that the break tag does not require a closing break tag. Now let's go ahead and save the file and preview it in our browser. So we can see that line 1 is separated from line 2, and the gap is much smaller using the line break tag versus the paragraph tag.